Today we have got something special for all of you who like to build things. If you enjoy woodworking and want to make thoughtful gifts, this video is for you. I will share some simple and creative woodworking projects that make great presents. Project 1, Stylish Serving Tray. First up, we have a stylish serving tray. This project only needs a piece of plywood and some trim wood. Cut the trim into strips, sand them smooth, and attach them around the edges of the plywood. Add handles for a polished look, and do not forget to finish with wood oil for a sleek finish. This tray is perfect for housewarmings or holiday gifts. Project 2, Folding Cookbook Stand. Next, let's make a folding cookbook stand. Use sturdy wood for the back panel and cut a ledge to hold the book. Bevel the edges for a decorative touch, and attach the stand with a hinge for foldable storage. Sand it well and finish with your choice of stain. This is great for chefs or book lovers in your life. Project 3, Lazy Susan. A Lazy Susan is always a hit. Glue together a few strips of wood to create a circular panel. Use a router or jigsaw to shape it, and sand until smooth. Attach a rotating base to the underside, and you have got a spinning centerpiece. Add personal touches like initials or designs for a unique gift. Project 4, Tic-Tac-Toe Game Board. This project is both fun and easy. Use a square piece of plywood for the base. Trim it with wooden edges, and divide it into a 3x3 grid. Cut blocks for the X and O pieces, and paint or carve the symbols. This game board is perfect for family game nights or as a thoughtful handmade gift. Project 5, Classic Cutting Board. Finally, a classic cutting board is always appreciated. Combine strips of contrasting wood for a stylish look. Glue them together, sand the surface smooth, and finish with food-safe oil. This board is not only practical but also a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Project 6, Wooden Spoon. Creating a DIY woodworking project like a wooden spoon is a rewarding and practical endeavor. With just a few simple tools and some carefully selected wood, you can craft a spoon that is both beautiful and functional. This project allows you to customize the size, shape, and finish according to personal preference. Sanding the wood smooth ensures a comfortable grip, while applying a food-safe finish enhances its durability and safety for everyday use. And there you have it, 5 simple woodworking projects that make amazing gifts. From a serving tray to a classic cutting board, these ideas are perfect for any skill level. Remember, handmade gifts always have that extra personal touch. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Drilling Nerd for more DIY projects.